As Carnival Cruise Lines prepares to resume cruising here in the United States, they have decided that it is time for a new look for their cruise ships. Let's talk about it right after this. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Like always, before we get started, I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Like always, it is free to do. It does help our channel grow and allows us to continue bringing you cruising content. So last year, with the introduction of the Carnival Mardi Gras, also came brand new hull art, which featured a navy blue bow with red and white accents that ran down the entire length of the ship, which was definitely different from the all-white ships that we've all grown accustomed to seeing and sailing on. Well, the response to the new colors on the Mardi Gras have been so positive, Carnival has decided to introduce it across the entire fleet. When we first saw the hull design for the Mardi Gras, we knew it was something special, and particularly as we get ready to celebrate our 50th birthday, we're delighted to incorporate the stunning livery as a signature exterior design element across our fleet, said Christine Duffy, president of Carnival Cruise Line. As we look to resume sailing in the US, we're coming back with a signature new look as well. Now, the Carnival Magic will be the first ship to receive the new colors. It's currently in dry dock in France, and that's going to be followed by the Carnival Glory this June when she goes into dry dock as well. So what do y'all think? Are you in favor of the new colors, or do you want Carnival to stay with the white cruise hulls that they use now? Comment below which one you like better. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.